Everyone, today I'm going to show you this smudge proof winged eyeliner which you can achieve every time. If you want to know how to achieve this, then keep on watching, guys. So guys, I'm using this super affordable drugstore gel eyeliner and a angular brush for application. And guys, I have already prepped my eyes with concealer. Some people use eyeshadow primer also. But I use concealer. Some people, guys, stretch when they do eyeliner, but I'm not stretching. I'm just looking straight and starting from the outer corner and straight creating a line towards where my eyeball is pointing. Then in the same direction, I'm just filling the gaps and connecting to the corner. From the inner corner, starting with very thin line and small strokes, and I will connect these to the other part of the eyeliner. Guys, I have used 2 times at least because if there will be any gap, I will cover this gel eyeliner. It is so easy to create, guys. Trust me, just practice a little and you will create winged eyeliner like a pro. And don't worry if you mess a little, we will clean if there is any mistake with concealer. After cleaning with concealer, I will apply one more time for more pigmentation, guys. But it's up to you. If you don't want to apply one more time, that's totally your choice. And then set your concealer with loose or compact powder. And guys, then I will use mascara. You can use any mascara that you have. So guys, now it's looking absolutely perfect, but if you want to make this more rich dark color, like richest black dark, then use some black eyeshadow and apply in dabbing motion with a flat brush. I'm using this single black eyeshadow, guys. You can use black eyeshadow from any palette you have. Guys, now you can see I am using flat brush and using dabbing motion. Please do not use any blending brush here. Okay? That will be really mess because you don't want to mess with your winged eyeliner, right? So don't use blending brush for this step. Only use any flat brush. You can use any flat brush for this step. And use only dabbing motion. So guys, clearly you can see the difference. It's looking intense rich, and if you will look above also, this will not smudge, this will not move anywhere, guys. Now I'm back with my eyelashes. Guys, eyelashes are not necessary. You can skip eyelashes also. And guys, this is the final look. I hope you like my tutorial. Please like, share my tutorial with your friends and family, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new here. and we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you all, bye.